All right. So in this problem, we're condensing. So it's the exact opposite process from expanding. So what we're going to do is we're going to write this all inside one single log. So the first step I would do is I would write my log, whatever that log happens to be. And notice I put grouping symbols here because everything has to be condensed into one single log. Okay, I'll also set it up as a fraction. If I don't necessarily need my fraction, if there's no factors in the denominator, then I'll take it out when I write my answer. But this is the general form of our condensed log. And then what I'm going to do is each individual log here represents its own factor. So we're going to have three factors here. Any factors that are positive are going to go in the numerator, and any that are negative or any that have negative logs are going to go in the denominator. So these first two logs are positive, so those factors will go in the numerator. The last log is negative, so its factor will go in the denominator. And so the only other thing I need to do before I start putting these in is move the coefficient back into the powers. And now they become factors. So 3 squared becomes a factor in the numerator because it's a positive log. 2 to the 5th becomes a factor in the numerator because it's a positive log. And 8 is a factor in the denominator because it's a negative log. So the only other thing that I need to do here is simplify what I have, and you can do that a couple different ways. So 3 squared is 9. Here, 8 is equivalent to 2 to what power? So if I think of 8 as being 2 to the 3rd, what I can do here is cancel. I have 3 2's here. They cancel with 3 of these, leaving how many 2's? 2. So we have 2 squared, which is 4. Now notice my fraction disappears, so I'm not going to write it here. And I get ln of 36.